So now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our odd US dollar. So before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the day, so those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do all to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's start with this our trend on our AUDUSD. So first thing first, before you take a trade, you need to know where your trend is. Then you have to trade with the trend. Now if you take a look at this right here, we have the main trend and we also have the current trend, right? So this is our main trend right here. The overall movement literally turning to the upside. But since we want to make use of the current trend, which is basically we want to know what market is going to be giving us for the day, we are definitely going to be making use of the current trend. This current trend is what we are going to be making use of, and it is what we are going to be using. And this our current trend is on a downtrend move. You can see the market is literally trending to the downside, right? Now, guys, pay attention to this movement. Market literally dropped to form a low, and we had a lower high right here. Market pulled back to form a lower high. Market eventually dropped again to form a new lower low. You can see it dropped again to form a new lower low, which took out this previous low right here. Then here comes the pullback, which is our lower high. When market formed a lower high, guess what market did again? Market eventually dropped massively again to form a new lower low, which took out this previous low. Now the market has formed a lower low, which took out this previous low, we will be expecting a lower high to play out right here. So a little bit of a bullish move is what we should be expecting next on our AUDUSD. But let's drop that to our daily 4-hour time frame. Now, if this is your lower low and this is your lower high, right? This can also be seen as a massive low. You can see that this low is very massive, right? You can see that multiple rejection, multiple red candle stick, right? This is a very much bearish move, right? So with this movement, you should be very careful going in for the sell. With this movement, markets will likely give us a pullback, right? Markets will likely give us a pullback. So be very careful going in for the sell right now, because the sell, the bearish move have already been made. So one thing you would want to be looking out for, one thing you want to do is just a pullback. So you would be expecting a pullback. You would want the pullback to play out. Once the pullback plays out finish, then you can now anticipate for one more movement that will drop to form a new lower low. So guys, I repeat, wait for your pullback to play out before you look to go in for the sell. Do not just go in for the sell, because you're definitely going to lose a lot. Let markets pull back before you look to go in for the sell for the day.